2-point masses of mass 4m and m respectively separated by a distance d, okay, are revolving under mutual force of attraction. Ratio of the kinetic energy will be equal to. Now if I consider that this is m, this is over here 4m, okay, they are rotating about a certain distance. Let us say the distance over here is equal to d. Let this distance be equal to x. Let this distance be equal to d minus x. Okay, they are rotating about separated by a distance d, are revolving around their mutual force of attraction. Ratio of their kinetic energies will be equal to. Now first of all, the gravitational force on 4m, let us find out the gravitational force on 4m. It will be equal to gm 4m divided by d square. Okay, it will be equal to the it will be over here equal to the centripetal force, which is equal to m or 4m into v square divided by 2. Okay, v square divided by d minus x. Okay, mv square divided by r. Okay, so over here we have to find out the ratio of their kinetic energies. Okay, so it will be equal to, now this will remain, the gravitational force will remain same for mass m also. So let me call this as c, certain constant, into d minus x is equal to 4mv square. Okay, so I can say that the kinetic energy of the 4m mass will be equal to half 4m into v square. So basically it will be divided by 2 certain constant d minus x. Okay, d minus x. If I want to find out the kinetic energy of the second body also, it will have the same formula. Kinetic energy of the mass m will be equal to half mv square. So basically it will be the constant, this will remain same, into d into just x. Okay, so the ratio of, so we have to find out the ratio, their ratio. Okay, that is the kinetic energy of the 4m mass divided by kinetic energy of the m mass. Okay, so it will be equal to, when I divide both of them, it will be equal to d minus x divided by x. Now I will assume that they are rotating about the center of mass. Okay, if there is no external force, they will be rotating about center of mass. The center of mass will not change over here. Okay, so since they are rotating about center of mass, we have to just find out the value of x in terms of d. So value of x in terms of d, that is the center of mass from the distance from the small m over here, will be equal to 4m into d divided by 5m. So basically it will be equal to, x will be equal to 4 by 5 into d. Okay, it will be equal to 4 by 5 into d. So d minus 4 by 5 into d divided by 4 by 5 into d. Okay, which is equal to, over here it will be equal to d will get cancelled. 5 minus 4 will be 1. It will be equal to 1 by 5. Okay, it will be equal to 1 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 4 will go in the numerator, it will be equal to 4:1. So the ratio of the kinetic energies over here will be equal to, of the 4m mass over here, will be equal to, 1:4, not 4:1. It will be equal to 1:4. Okay, so it will be equal to over here 1:4, which is equal to option number A.